Brand new 100% commission system. Free. Can I show you how to start making $550, $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page. Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. Now, you heard me right. You can make $50, $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page. And not only that, but check this out. What happens when somebody joins at a higher level than you? Great question. This is typically called a roll-up or pass-up. Now, this is life-changing. I've never seen this before in any program. All commissions that an affiliate is not qualified for will roll up to the admin, not the next sponsor. Why, and how does this make you more money? Because any roll-up commissions will be counted towards your level qualification, allowing you to sell one product and be qualified for that sold product level. Join for the $50 level, then sell a $3,500 level, and the difference of $3,450 to admin will actually qualify you for the gold $3,500 level. Now, if this happened to you, could make $3,500, $1,500, $500, and even $50. And you only made one sale, okay? And you only were qualified for the $50 level. Rather than the roll-up going to your sponsor and not benefiting you, the roll-up actually gets put towards a high-ticket business qualification, allow you to move up the levels faster than from only one sale, okay? The faster you get all in, the sooner you're making all the money. Now, let's say you don't want to lose $3,500, okay? That means you join for the $1,500 silver level or the $3,500 level and get the 48-hour upgrade. I'll go into that in just a bit, but we have a level thing that's bonus that's worth thousands of dollars per sale. Okay, thousands of dollars per sale, and you lose nothing. Let's say you join the $1,500 level, take the 48-hour upgrade, you're automatically qualified for the gold level. Okay, and then the $3,500 sale comes, and you don't pass up the $3,450, right? You get all of it. That's a $3,450 difference, okay? But either way, get in where you fit in, because this is a life-changing program that pays high-ticket commissions and takes care of the affiliate, okay? You're the one in control and get 100% of the pie, okay? And we make it as simple as possible for you. But you got to stay to the end of this video to see how. Now, before I get started, I want to show you my results on YouTube, okay? I'll show you results on Google in just a minute. This is the High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Brutal Profit Secrets. Now, that's videos, a series of videos I did, right? And you see one from with 7 views from 7 days ago, 12 views from 9 days ago. Clearly 2 different videos, okay? And then you have one from 5 days ago, 5, 7, 9, right? And then you have one from 3 days ago, okay? And then you have another video from 3 weeks ago. You have my whole channel, okay? Another video from me, okay? You see me all over the page. Another one, right? Okay, and I'll show you Google in just a minute. But this is the type of results we get every single day, okay? When you get our training, not only do we teach you how to make more, take your money and one of these high ticket commissions and make more money at it, trading Bitcoin at a 90% win rate, okay? Unheard of training. But we also will the owner will market with you 5 days a week and help you make more money, okay? And he'll also close your calls for you, okay? Yeah, we have a 1-800 number where they can ask any questions and he'll answer their questions and close high ticket commissions for you, okay? And we also have a residual aspect as well. Amazing thing, amazing program that's never been heard of things like the pass up, the roll up, okay? You could make a $50 sale, get a $5,000 sale, and yes, you would pass $4,950 up, but now you're qualified for everything, okay, at diamond level, okay? Very, obviously that's not typical, but it could happen, and I've never heard of that anywhere, okay? Have you? I sure have. Fuck haven't, okay? Now, what are we teaching here at the $50 level, okay? How to blog, okay? And obviously I've shown you that our YouTube results work, and I'll show you Google in just a bit, right? If you stay with me. But let's go to the blogging, okay? High ticket lifestyle team bonuses, 7 elite wealth payouts, okay? And this is my table of content, and this is actually the crux of how one of the main reasons we are so elite, okay? Because this, right? You actually can go to your right here and hit rank math, and it tells you exactly what's wrong with your thing, right? Okay, these green check marks and the red check marks, it tells you exactly what to fix, okay? Title readability, everything's green, okay? Content readability, everything's all good, okay? There's a few red things, and I have an 84 score. As long as you have a 75 score, you can publish it, okay? And it ranks like gangbusters, okay? Not in months or years or weeks. It even ranks sometimes the same day or the next couple of days, okay? Amazing, life-changing results, okay? So, and why am I reading this? Again, the more SEO you do, people in 2026 and beyond, search engines and AI are smart, okay? They're not only reading what you put online, they're also listening to what you say, okay? So why wouldn't I say something and, put it online and then say it as well, okay? So you double the results. Look at your financial reality for a second and be brutally honest about the current trajectory. If $20 commissions or standard affiliate marketing models were ever going to secure freedom, they would have done it months ago. Most digital participants stay trapped on an endless hamster wheel because they rely on broken legacy frameworks that reward exhaustion instead of leverage. The high-ticket lifestyle team bonuses completely shatter this outdated paradigm by introducing a mechanical wealth engine engineered for sovereign operators. When you understand how production-based rollups, centralized gateways, and team bonuses function, everything changes. Instead of trading hours for microscopic margins, you position yourself to capture direct pay commissions scaling from $50 to $5,000. Okay, the ecosystem removes the structural traps that tie your earning potential directly to your initial out-of-pocket costs. When a higher ticket sale hits your automated funnel, you automatically upgrade without forcing you to pay the price difference out of pocket. You just pay the admin fee, okay? Save thousands of dollars, and you only make one sale, okay? The high-ticket lifestyle team bonuses eliminating merchant middlemen and payout delays. The first major elite trigger delivered by the high-ticket lifestyle team bonuses is the complete elimination of merchant middlemen. Okay, it doesn't go to a back office. It doesn't. You don't get paid in 2 weeks or 4 weeks. You get paid however you want to get paid immediately. Okay, evolving directly from peer-to-peer 100% commission models, traditional programs skim your revenue and hold your funds behind arbitrary processing delays. Our architecture routes liquidity straight to your preferred gateway versus cash via Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, or Bitcoin, ensuring absolute control of your cash flow. You operate as the architect of your own digital real estate rather than a rented employee on someone else's platform. When you control the pipeline, you control the margin, insulating your daily operation from third-party interference and unexpected account freezes. Building a sustainable digital asset requires a direct source to source transactional model. Legacy marketing networks impose restrictive payout thresholds and mandatory holding periods that starve your capital velocity. By bypassing these legacy layers, every single conversion hits your balance sheet immediately, giving you the liquid fuel required to scale traffic acquisition without taking on personal debt or risking your operational cash reserves. Now I want to say a few cool things, okay? Let me see, right? Okay, this is the get upgraded to the next qualified level that I was telling you, the backup plan, okay? If you don't want to miss thousands of dollars, okay, initially, you join the $50 level, you get no upgrade. You join the $500 level, you get no upgrade. Now, this other programs have PDFs. Look at this. Join at the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level if you take advantage of the 48-hour upgrade window, okay? This big button that you can't possibly miss, okay? It's counting down the time, okay? So what that means is you join the $1,500 level, pay the admin fee, and you could qualify at $3,500. So if you don't get the products, you get the commissions, okay? So if somebody, again, remember I'm going to use the $3,500 example earlier. If somebody pays $3,500 level, $3,500 and was referred by you, and you joined at $1,500 level and took action on the 48-hour upgrade, you get all of the $3,500. Every single penny, 100%. Okay? Where have you ever heard that kind of a bonus? Join at the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. But now look at this. Remember I said, how does this make you money when it goes to the admin? Okay? You have simple examples, right? So example, if you join the $50 punch level and get a $500 bronze sale, you will make your $50 and the difference of $450 goes to the admin. Then we qualify you at the bronze level. So you next bronze level. So you never miss out on another $450 commission again. Simply pay the full admin fee for the next level to complete your upgrade. Because the admin gets the roll-ups, we can count the money towards your upgrades and get you all in very easily. So you're making all the money as soon as possible. Example 2, if you join the $50 price level and get a $1,500 silver level, you make the $50 and the difference of $1,450 goes to the admin. Then we will qualify you at the next silver level, so you never miss out on another $1,450 commission again. Simply pay the full admin fee for the next level to complete your upgrade. You'll not get the $40 upgrade after you join, obviously. So in this example, after your silver sale, you'll be qualified at the silver commission level owning those products. The reason this is way better is because when you join for the $50 apprentice level and make a $500 bronze sale, you make your $50 commission and the $450 difference that is sent to the admin is put towards your business at the same time via membership upgrade to help you never miss a roll-up and make more money online fast. If you only make the $50 level commissions, it would take 10 sales to upgrade to a bronze $50 level out of your own pocket, right? However, with the high-ticket lifestyle, you might get a $500 bronze sale or higher earlier than your 10th sale, which means now you can literally join for the $50 apprentice level and get upgraded to the $500 bronze level or any level that someone joins up for above you from only one sale. How powerful is that? And I promise you YouTube results, right? So I'm going to show you the Google results, right? I showed you the YouTube Elite results, right? And it's a lot harder to rank on Google, but look who's number 1. Make Money Online with JJ. That's my channel on YouTube, okay? And let's see if I have another thing. Yes, I have a badass network. I have my blog that's ranked on the first page of Google, right? So 2 things on the first page of Google and multiple things, okay? There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7 things on the first page of Google, YouTube, okay? And that's the type of elite results. And we teach you how to make more money using Bitcoin 90% win rates, and also how to blog, and also how to get traffic, pre-qualified traffic, I think up to 10 leads a day, okay? And they've already said they're interested in spending $100 to make money online, okay? They're already pre-qualified for you, okay? So many things that make us unique and elite, okay? The high ticket lifestyle team bonuses maximize velocity with 100% commissions. The second elite trigger powered by the high ticket lifestyle team bonuses is the sheer velocity of the 100% commissions model. Most beginners fail because their cost velocity cannot survive basic living expenses and traffic costs. By knocking down full commission potential on high ticket transactions, a single successful conversion changes your entire financial baseline. You stop running in circles and start building a real digital fortress, okay? And this is the high ticket lifestyle team bonuses. Let me go real quick. 7 elite wealth payouts. Let me go back to where I was for the next video. And this is JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood Solley man. Don't delay, get with Jada today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.